Hey guys, so today we're doing a vlog. Our third one so far. Mom, this is not any ordinary vlog. It's our third vlog. Two more vlogs and then it's fifth vlog.
This is how we do.
2 more weekends.
Where's your remote?
I got a corner though, that's why. And you're in the video. Like always.
Roll. Let's do it. Let's hit the road. Oh, my phone. Most important thing of all.
You just covered the camera. Alright. I'm about to leave the house. Haven't done that yet.
Let's do it. You got everything?
Yep.
You got your phone?
Yep. Got my $10.
You got your devices?
Yep, I got my $10 and I got my cornetto.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright. Going down the stairs now. I was gonna get my mom to record, but she doesn't want to.
Here's my hands. My hands are busy.
Yep.
Busy with tea and
Yep. Which way are you going? Left or right? Left or right?
309 way, this way.
Okay, that way. That way. Oh. There's a white bird. Yep.
White pigeon, you don't normally see them.
Me and Dad see them every day.
Well, aren't you lucky? We're going to Daniel's cousin, my nephew,
Yep.
Drew's house.
Yep. Stop. Have to stop for a car.
Quick.
You are speed. Oh, there's another one. Zoom. Alright.
Now I've got that bloody Katy Perry song in my head because she played it 100 times. So you should play different songs. You don't play the same song over and over.
Don't you like the song?
I did, till I heard it 100 times.
Yep.
Oh no, I wasn't really into that one. Some of the other songs are better. I'm not a big Katy Perry fan. I mean, I like her as a person. I think she's nice.
Yep.
But I'm not really into her music.
And what we gotta do is we can't play any music in the video.
Yeah, gotta remember that. Otherwise we get copyrighted.
Yes. Or I get a strike on my channel.
You get a strike. Did
Okay,
someone come along and strike you on the bum?
If I do it 6 times or 5 times, I get banned.
Really? I thought it was 3 strikes and you're out. That's what it is with everything else. Sounded like we dropped something in, didn't we?
I mean, I could have edited it out.
We did not. Okay. Let's cross.
Alright. Alright. Walking into the park and buy some apartments. Alright. So are we going through the park or?
No, walking
That way.
past it.
Okay.
So you can show them the big grass steepy hill that you
Yep.
slip down.
Sometimes we usually go down there. We literally slide down there. Then it's really good.
Some
You
people
guys-
doing it now.
You guys actually do have a park near you. And it's like this. Should definitely try that out. And that would be good. There's some people over here.
Here's the cardboard.
Okay.
Someone's birthday party.
Should we have a birthday party on my birthday?
Oh, I'd rather spend the money on presents, to tell you the honest.
Well, I got a mustache.
You got a mint mustache.
It's a mint cornetto.
Cold brand one, isn't it?
I don't know. Anyway, we got to get these again.
I know we got this really cool neighbour. He keeps giving Daniel these awesome ice creams, and he gives me a lift to work every day.
And he lets us use his
he gives me
Wi-Fi.
cigarettes when I run out. And his dog comes over and visits.
And he lets us use our Wi-Fi.
And he lets us use his Wi-Fi, yeah. He's one of those neighbours that you want to keep, but he's moving out in
October?
December. No. The Indians are moving out in October.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we don't like them. They complain whenever we raise our voice to maybe this level.
Okay, I jump up out of my beanbag. Hey, why are you making so much noise?
Yeah.
And what my dad did once, he walked past the unit door, and then guess what they did? He just went, ooh, next to the door. Is that quiet for you?
Well, we figured, they're hassling us and we're making no noise. Like, I don't even play my music loud anymore, like I used to. I'm a responsible parent now.
I don't really care.
We're not even making noise though, that's the thing.
I play my music
that day
pretty
when
loud.
She came up and told us to be quiet. You were in your bedroom playing Xbox quietly. I was in the lounge room watching a DVD. And I was like, are you fucking real? Like, what?
Notice there's a big chocolate thing in the middle.
We're not making it. Oh, wow, really? We're not making any noise, woman. It's because her baby can't sleep. She's frustrated, so it's everyone else's fault but her own, But I was blessed with this beautiful child. He slept, he ate, he's a perfect little baby, this one.
He made a YouTube channel.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as you were born, I knew you're going to be a future YouTuber.
Yep.
I could see it.
Talking about YouTuber, why don't you just go and subscribe today?
Yeah.
Like literally, it only takes 5 seconds. Click off this video. Get out of full screen. Probably you are.
Advert.
And then go and click subscribe. Or just, I'll put an annotation right there.
Send me a comment. Give me feedback.
Yep. Give me feedback. If you're asking about this, think it's yummy or not? Well, I think it's yummy. You should go and check it out.
Actually, we just gave a free,
I don't want to advertise,
we just
but
gave a free ad to...
Coles?
No, he's not going to bark.
You never know. Going to the bus stop at Beecham Road. A road? It's just road.
Don't give roads out, man. Just roads out.
I know I have a mustache,
But I must touch.
so yeah, I might pause the video here, and I'll get I'll go and stop it, and then I'll put the next clip in. So yeah, we'll be back and we're on the bus. See you guys. We'll be back. Yeah, we will. Yeah. Guys, so you can barely hear me, I guess, with the lips, but I'll put the subtitles over this part. Alright, well, we're on the bus. There's a park. There is a park. There's a park. Yeah, beautiful manure man. What did I say? Alright, well, there's a green light. There's a Sudoku Whereabouts
Central.
in the city?
Central.
Where's about in Central?
Train.
We're about in the train.
Yeah, get your train to St. Peter's.
We're about in the train to St. Peter's.
Cousin Peter's house.
Let's see now. Serpent's cousin Drew house.
Where he lives.
Where he lives?
I'm not telling you. So you can post it all over the world.
No.
And steal it.
Where does he not live? In the White House?
I'm not sure the color of the house, but it is a house.
No, where does he not live? In the White House? Does he live in the White House? Yeah, he lives in the White House.
Plenty of White Houses out there.
No, I mean the American White House. There is a post office.
American White House, but we're not even in America.
Well, there's an Australian Black House.
If we're in America now, we'd be looking at having Donald Trump as our president.
Well,
Call myself
hey Mum, you don't like the American White House? There's an Australian Black unit. And I'm going to end this part here and we'll be back when we're on the train or maybe at my cousin's house. I'm going to press this button and it's red and it's the color of a square and it's in the side of a circle, so I'm going to press it now. Hey guys, so we're on the train this time. If you don't believe me, well there you go, we're on the train. Anyone remember those seats and that number and those signs and probably that emergency procedure? Yes, everyone does. Yeah, and that does not look like it here. So, alright, we just stopped at Erskineville. Not meant to really be here. I mean, we're not going here, and I should probably book that sign on my way. Okay, I'm so close. Alright, well, we're at Erskineville now. You can get the buses, but bus trains. But you can barely see me because of that stupid sun. Alright. Hey, Mom. We're on the train now, and we haven't actually been there. It's such a long time. So yeah, and I feel like I've changed my vlog schedule. Well, we do it every Sundays or Saturdays. We do it every weekend, maybe 2 every weekend, I don't know. Or mainly 2 every weekend. I mean, mainly 1, at least 1 every weekend. And I forgot to tell you, I haven't got my green hair in, but I'll have my green hair in tomorrow. So yeah, let's just end this part of the vlog here, and we'll be back. And maybe we're at my cousin's house, or I'll just end the vlog here. I don't know, but I'll make a different ending because I'm not sure if I can record in my cousin's house. So yeah, you'll be back at my cousin's house in a different private vlog saying goodbye. Alright. So here's the train tracks. Alright, so let's stop it here. I mean, we'll be back. Wait, let's just wait a few seconds. I'm gonna stop it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I've got an ice cream. I've got a lollipop in my mouth. Hello. Hello. I'll take some pictures while we're at McDonald's. So yeah, this is kind of the ending part because yeah, we'll take some pictures while we're at McDonald's. So yeah, guys. Oh yeah. I forgot to record at my cousin's house, but yeah, whatever. I'm playing Call of Duty. I got second once, but then I got like first twice. I got like first 4 times or 3 times. So yeah, this is gonna be the end. I might just play some pictures. I don't really know, but yeah. See you guys.